How to create timelines. We on Earth are capable of seeing many different timelines simultaneously because we exist in the 9D. We can see the timelines that are in front of each one of you receiving these messages. We know that new timelines are created when you become imaginative, when you go beyond the beliefs of those around you and those who have perceived you. In fact, we know you are very creative and capable of reaching the stars, literally. Many of you wonder, when will ships land on the planet? And you ask with the idea that it will be set in stone. You think these decisions are made outside of you, by some other being, or some other group of beings. But you decide when that happens. You decide when humanity has access to free energy. You can decide when you take all that comes to you, all your gifts, everything you've always wanted to manifest. Everything is there waiting for you to receive it. You are the ones who decide. You are the ones who focus. You are the ones who vibrate, think, feel, act, and speak. And as you remain aligned with what you do want and let go of what you don't want, then you position yourself on the timeline. If you align with a version of the human collective that is ready for full, open contact in the next year, then you will have that experience. But if you look around and say, these humans are not ready, then you get stuck in that timeline. It is your decision to think better of your fellow humans, of yourselves, instead of focusing on their faults and weaknesses. Focus on how far you've come, the potential within each one of you, and the love that this means. Focus on the love that exists in all other human beings, and as you do so, focus on the truth that all beings of the galaxies are love. They are a source of energy, and sure, many of them have acted in ways that are much less than what would be expected from a source of energy. But that only means that you can have the experience of forgiving them. You can see the best in every being. It's your choice. That is the choice that will make you happy. It's the choice that will make you feel better when you really make it. There is no other option because you must make that decision to be who you are. That is where all roads lead. All of you are going to return home, to the source. You are all there to remember who you really are. So, don't forget. Don't fall into that trap of seeing yourself as insignificant and destined to have certain experiences. The world is what you make of it. Your lives can be better, even by the highest standards, if you allow it. And that's how you are becoming your higher self, your 5D self. No matter what others are doing, choose the best timeline for you. Right now, be aware of the fact that you are choosing the timeline that suits you best. It's your decision. It only depends on you. We are the Arcturian Council. Great message, very clear on this topic. Now to put it into practice and choose which timeline you want to be on. Sending a strong hug to your being, I am Maria Lustig, voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide.